Hello everyone and welcome to my videos of Learn Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. And today we are going to look at how you can introduce yourself to others. How you can introduce yourself to others. But before, don't forget to subscribe, like and share so that we can both benefit. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up icon. So let's start. Let's start by looking at some common words used in introduction. Some common words used during introduction. Name, name. Erinnya, erinnya. Live, live. Mbeera, mbeera. Surname, surname. Erinnya ly'ekika, erinnya ery'ekika, erinnya ery'ekika. Lies, lies. Obulimba, obulimba. Mother's name, mother's name. Erinnya lya maama, erinnya lya maama. Student, student. Muyizi, muyizi, muyizi. School, school. Essomero, essomero. Okay, so let's briefly describe how you can introduce yourself. My name is Ben. My name is Ben. Erinnya lyange nze Ben. Erinnya lyange nze Ben. Please note, my is lyange. My lyange. Name erinnya. So if you want to say, my name is Ben. Erinnya lyange nze Ben. Is interpreted as nze. So my name is Ben. My country is Uganda. My country is Uganda. Ensi yange ye Uganda. Please note, country is ensi. My country is Uganda. I live in Kampala. I live in Kampala. Mbeera mu Kampala. Live is Mbeera. So I live in Kampala. I hate lies. I hate lies. Nkyawa obulimba. Nkyawa obulimba. My mother's name is Ida, for example. My mother's name is Ida. Erinnya lya maama wange ye Ida. Or erinnya lya maama ye Ida. Erinnya lya maama ye Ida. You can substitute in your name, your mother's name, so that you make the class practical. I am a student. I am a student. Ndi muyizi. Ndi muyizi. Student is muyizi. I is ndi. So ndi muyizi. I am a student is ndi muyizi. My school is Christ Cares. My school is Christ Cares. Essomero lyange liyitibwa Christ Cares. Essomero lyange liyitibwa Christ Cares. Please note, Christ Cares is just an exemplary name. So you can substitute in the name of your school. Thanks very much for watching. We shall continue on in the next videos. Subscribe, like, and share. Webale nnyo.